Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can clone any website you want. As you can see, I rightly open this website over here and I'm going to clone it by some simple steps. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first I will going to search for save all resources. I'm going to search save all resources and then come for this option called save all resources into the Chrome Web Store. If you click on that, then I will get this kind of extension and I'm going to add the extension to my Google Chrome. After completing that, I will come over into my website and from here I'm going to click on the right mouse button and then going to click on inspect. Coming on inspect, I'm going to click on these more tabs, then go for resource saver. I'm going to check this beautify JS HTML.css code before download, going to check it and then going to check another option called include all assets by XHR request. So I'm going to check these boxes and then click on save all resources. As you can see, it's downloading and it's already downloaded. Now I will going to click on this folder icon and going to unzip this zip folder. So for that I'll going to select this folder and going to click on extract all. Click extract. After a short time the extraction will be completed and now as you can see that this website is showing over here. So if I just close everything and then just simply go for that file that we extracted and then simply come over into clothingtrends.com. So if you click on that and then here we'll find the index file. So if you click on that, and as you can see rightly, it's open into our computer, as you can see. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.